Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Voyager to CraftWorld, power both devices, enable pairing mode on Voyager, and open the CraftWorld app to start setup immediately. Follow prompts to accept permissions and verify the device code displayed on both screens during pairing. Keep both units within 3 meters and avoid crowded Wi-Fi channels for a clean first connection to complete the initial link efficiently. Configure your network before pairing to prevent common connectivity issues. Confirm both your phone and hub use the same Wi-Fi band and switch to 2.4 GHz if Voyager needs it. If automatic setup stalls, jot down the hub IP address from the router and enter it manually in the app. Also disable VPNs and temporary firewalls on your phone, then retry the pairing sequence to ensure a stable handshake. If pairing fails, begin troubleshooting calmly and methodically to save time. Restart both Voyager and the hub, then retry the pairing steps exactly as shown in the app. Check for firmware updates on each device and install them to resolve compatibility issues. If nothing works, perform a factory reset on Voyager, then repeat the full setup from the app while keeping devices close and free from radio interference to maximize success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.